Good morning.
What? What's going on, guys?
I was gonna say you need more energy than that. So it is a Sunday morning, and we are taking our Gheenoe Mac out to the intercoastal
Spoil Islands along Pinellas County, Florida.
And we have not been out there before. We're launching at a new place. We're going to launch at Sunset Beach.
Yep, in Tarpon Springs.
Yeah, we went and got our pass for, you have to have a pass?
A pass?
A thing? For...
Permit!
Permit, that's the word I'm looking for.
Permit.
For the Tarpon Springs boat ramp. So we had to go get that this week.
And had Greek food while we were in Tarpon Springs. Great.
For Joel's birthday.
Yeah.
So we're hopefully going to check out these islands so that way in the winter time we can maybe take stuff out and go camping. Yep. Plus we're hoping that it'll have lots of like shallow water, we can sit in it, so we'll see. I don't really know what to expect. This is the first time.
We are literally exploring today.
We are.
No fishing pole, just going out and checking things out.
Yep. So join us and we'll see you soon.
See you guys. Shallow.
Is it?
Oh, it feels great though.
Alright, so this is number 2 on our list. It's a much choppier day today than we anticipated, but we could definitely put a camp up here. It looks like there's some stone fire pits there, Joel. They came up in kayaks. Yeah. Alright, so this is the island. Number 2. Maybe camping there. Fishing over here.
No hammocks, apparently. One hammock, but not two.
Right. Okay, this is island number 3. It's very rocky all the way around it. Joel couldn't even anchor. Not too bad for tenting, but probably not the best choice for us. Alright, this is island number 6 on our list. Number 5 actually had no trespassing. I think it was like a bird sanctuary. And this one looks very promising. There's a little cove here we're going to pull into. Hopefully get up. See, now I just got him pulling me around. This is the way to boat, Joel.
1/10 of a horsepower.
Alright, oh, is it rocky?
A little bit.
Putting the stakeout pole in. Oh, maybe not.
Not much sticking out going on.
No.
Oh, Lord.
Alright, here's one of the camping areas on this island.
Nice breeze right here.
Yeah. So this side of this island is really nice, but there's a tarp and a bunch of trash in the back. So I'm not...
Yeah,
we may have to come do a coastal cleanup.
Our own private coastal cleanup.
Look at that.
This place is just a little slice of paradise, and then people just trash it.
Yeah, it's disappointing.
Just no respects.
This is looking promising.
Go past, Jamie.
All right. We are at island number 6 on my little map. And this would be a great place for sunset.
Yeah. Not too shabby.
I know can see these fish all jumping. They're not mullet. Joel says they're skipjacks, maybe. They're all over the place.
Jump in the boat!
I was going to say, don't jump in the boat, don't jump in the boat.
We'll find out what they are today.
Yeah. All right, this is island number 7. This side looks like a good site to camp on. Yeah, it's a good choice right there. There's somebody actually going out there camping now. All right, we came back to island number 5 and found this tip of the island that is actually maintained by a group and so much less trashy. Really nice breeze, great place for tents. I could actually camp here now with this the breeze coming through. So we took out our chairs. That's what those are over there. Where are they? Right there. We're gonna sit down and enjoy the island for just a little bit. All right, Joel's coming with our food. We're actually gonna eat our lunch here. Look at this view. There's a little sand on this one. Hello. You got what?
Food!
Food! So we are enjoying this little island.
And they call it Spoil Island? I think because we're spoiled.
So we're sitting... That was stupid.
I thought it was brilliant. It's spoiling us. Come on.
I'll give you that.
All right,
so we found this island. The other side of the island is a little trashy, literally. For some reason, people like to leave their trash out here, but we found this one tip of this island. It's gorgeous.
Perfect.
We're sitting in the water.
Yep.
There's the island behind us. The boat's in front of us. Don't know if you can see that.
That was awful fast.
I know.
You just gave a little whiplash.
So yeah, just sitting out here, and I think I'm getting to love this salt life.
Nice.
Salt life, right? I've never been a water person or a sand beach person, but I think I might be turning into one.
You go.
Yep.
See?
I know.
You can change.
I can. We're coming in just in time. We're getting rained on. So, I know, right? We're gonna have to wait in line. Looks like there's a couple boats going in. And it's coming down hard now. Whew. And it's cold.
Hey guys, so we just missed some serious rain. You can't see it over there.
But it's
really,
black.
It's really dark. So we got off the water in the car just in time, and we stopped at Twisty Treat.
Yay!
So,
every time we do some kind of activity, a run, boat, anything, this is typically where we stop and get ice cream
and milkshake.
Yes, but I gotta go eat mine. So
I don't. I can take my time.
oh no. So thanks guys for watching. Hopefully you enjoyed seeing the Spoil Isles. And
Isles?
Isles! Why did I just call it
I don't
Isles?
know. It sounded really like Pirates of the Caribbean.
Spoil Islands. Okay, I'm Milton. So please subscribe to our channel, and we'll see you on our next adventure. Make it a glorious day. Bye.